Hi, this is Stephen with Fastcall. I'm going to show you how to receive a call with Fastcall using two different receiving devices to demonstrate the difference between the soft phone and receiving a call in any other device. I'm assuming you've done the Getting Ready to Receive Calls unit where we cover how to set up the receiving device. If you haven't, please do that first. Okay, let's get started and receive a call. Firstly, we've got to open the Fastcall widget and go Available. Next, I'm going to use my mobile phone to call the phone number that I got in the previous unit. I'm going to put my phone on speaker so you can hear, and I'm also recording the audio from my headset so you can hear what it sounds like on the receiving end. And there it rings. I'm not going to pick this up, so I'm going to decline the call.
Hi, you're through to Stephen. Sorry I can't get to the phone at the moment. Please leave a message.
And there you hear my voicemail. Okay, that was easy. But what happens if I'm not working in Salesforce at the time a call comes in? Well, for the soft phone to work, you must have a Salesforce window with the Fastcall widget in it open, but that window doesn't have to be in focus. Let me demonstrate this by opening an Excel document and pretending to work in it. I'm now going to call myself again using my mobile phone. So I can hear the phone ringing even though I'm not in Salesforce at the moment. I can switch to Salesforce, and there it is.
Hi, you're through to Stephen. Sorry I can't get to the phone.
However, if I switch my Salesforce to an app that doesn't feature the Fastcall widget and try and call myself, it won't ring. Let me demonstrate. So I've changed to an app that does not have the Fastcall widget in it, and I am going to start a call to myself.
Hi, you're through to Stephen. Sorry I can't get to the phone.
And this time it's gone straight through to voicemail. Finally, even if I'm in an app with the Fastcall widget, if I'm set to unavailable, it will also go straight to voicemail. Again, let me demonstrate. I'm changing my availability to offline.
Hi, you're through to Stephen. Sorry I can't.
Okay, let's try receiving calls using a different receiving device to the soft phone. I'm going to change my receiving device to be my mobile phone, and then I'm going to call exactly the same number that I was calling before. But this time I'll use Skype to make the call so that you can hear the outbound leg of the call a bit more clearly. So, I go to my account settings. I go to inbound routing. And I go to my existing inbound route and choose to receive the call in my mobile phone. Now, I go back to my main Salesforce page and change my availability back to available. Now I'm going to make the call using Skype. And my mobile phone starts to ring. I'm going to decline the call on my mobile phone.
Hi, you're through to Stephen. Sorry I can't get to the phone at the moment. Please leave a message.
And it goes to my voicemail. Let's try that without me having a Fastcall widget open. In this case, I'm going to completely log out of Salesforce. I could be away from my desk right now. And even though I'm completely logged out of Salesforce, it still rings. However, If I log back into Salesforce and set myself to be offline, the call will go straight to voicemail, even though the call receiver is still my mobile phone. Let me demonstrate.
Hi, you're through to Stephen. Sorry I can't get to the phone at the...
So, to recap, if you're not available in Fastcall, you won't be able to receive calls in any receiving device. In addition, if your receiving device is the soft phone, you must have a Salesforce window featuring the Fastcall widget open, but not necessarily in focus, somewhere on your computer. And that's all there is to receiving calls in Fastcall.